Hi guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel. I did a cheeky little Sephora haul recently and I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted to see what I got. Obviously you said yes and you wanted a little haul video. So here it is. It's just really quick. It wasn't a massive haul because I just always feel really guilty after doing them. But it wasn't a massive haul, but I still got some really exciting bits that I thought I wanted to show you. So I'm going to start off with the reason the haul happened, and that's because of this, the Sephora waterproof eye makeup remover. It was all because of this. I needed some more of this. I was running out. I just had to get this, and this is something you can only get at Sephora. So I ordered 2 in this size, 2 in like the medium size that I like here, and then 2 of the little mini one for traveling. This is so great. It just removes all my eye makeup. It's really cheap. It's like $8 or $12. Obviously it depends on the size that you're getting, but yeah, it's just so good, and that's why the haul happened all because of this. The other reason the haul happened, it happened because of this, but then while I was doing the Sephora haul, I thought, wow, what else do I need? That's Sephora. And my everyday liquid lipstick, which is shade 13 and it's called Marvelous Mauve. It's the Sephora lip stain. Again, you can only get it from Sephora, so I had to get some, and I thought I'd stock up on these. I wasn't running so low on these. I've still got a few left, but now I've got more. Then I ordered some bits which I probably can get here, but I just thought, wow, as I'm doing a Sephora haul, might as well. So I got the Elemis cleansing oil, which I love. I think you saw it in my February favourites. I love it. It's really good, so I got that. What else did I get? Oh, I got another Sephora thing. I picked up a couple more of these because last time when I was in Sephora physically, I think I was in Paris, I picked up some of this and I really liked it. I got a I got a pearl face mask and I got a rose face mask, and I just really like the pearl one, so I just ordered 2 more of those, so I've got them. Okay, beauty blenders. I went a bit cray on the beauty blenders. I can now get beauty blenders in the UK, but again, just because I was doing a Sephora haul, I thought why not. So I got this limited edition Swirl beauty blender. It's like pink and nude. So I got that. I got my regular pink one as well, which is dirty because I used it this morning. I got some more of the mini beauty blenders. I got another beauty blender cleaner. My Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Lovesick, just because it came up in my suggestions, and I forgot that I can actually get in W, so that's a bit of a silly thing to do, but I got it anyway. I got the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. So I wanted to try this for so long. So there you go. I've got that, and I got that. I got it in the shade tan, but I actually think I should have got a shade lighter because it's a little bit dark for me. I'm really disappointing. Then I'm saving the best for last. Then I got the this Faz Ali Rose Gold Elixir, these drops, which, oh my god, there's real gold in this. 24 carat gold infused beauty oil. There's real gold in this. I wanted to try this for ages. Oh, there's gold flecks in there. And I just got it. I've only got a little mini bottle because I just wanted to try it. It is quite pricey, so I just wanted to try it first, make sure I like it. I haven't actually used it yet. And then I was torn between the Huda Beauty palette and the Violet Voss HD palette, and I just decided to go and get the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette, which is absolutely beautiful. I am so happy that I got it. There's so many shades in here. I think this one just won because there's more shades in it than the Huda Beauty palette and more usable shades. I think the Huda, I kind of like counted which shades I would use, and I think from here I counted that I would probably use every single one of these, and I would. Whereas the Huda Beauty palette, it was a Desert Dust palette. There was a couple of shades. I think there was about 3 or 4 shades I probably just wouldn't use, so that's why I decided to go for this one, and it was cheaper and it's so nice. I'm wearing it today. I've done a tutorial on it, which I don't know if it will be up before or after this video, but yes, I'm so happy with this palette. I didn't know you could get it at Sephora. I thought I could only get it from Violet Voss directly, but actually you can get it at Sephora, which is massive, because the shipping charges to order from Violet Voss directly was really a lot, where Sephora was I think like £6 to deliver to the UK, which is amazing, but then you do have to pay tax on top of that, which kind of kills you a little bit, but I'm happy with my Sephora order. Comment below and let me know what I should get in my next Sephora haul. And have you done Sephora haul recently? Let me know. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video. If there's any more tutorials, anything you want to see with me using any of the stuff from my Sephora haul, just let me know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys!